Letter number 69. 2. Haris ibn Abdullah, Hamadani. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Adhere to the rope of the Quran and seek instructions from it. Regard its lawful as lawful and its unlawful as unlawful. Testify the right that has been in the past. Take lessons for the present condition of this world from the past condition, because its one phase resembles the other. Its end is to meet its beginning, and the whole of it is to change and depart. Regard the name of Allah as too great to mention Him, save in the matter of right. Remember death frequently and what is to come after death. Do not long for death except on a reliable condition. Avoid every action which the doer likes for his own self but dislikes for the Muslims in general. Avoid every such action which is performed in secret and from which shame is felt in the open. Also avoid that action about which if the doer is questioned he himself regards it bad or offers excuses for it. Do not expose your honor to be treated as the subject of people's discussions. Do not relate to the people all that you hear, for that would amount to falsehood. Do not contest all that the people relate to you, for that would mean ignorance. Kill your anger and forgive when you have power to punish. Show forbearance in the moment of rage, and pardon in spite of authority. The eventual end will then be in your favor. Seek good out of every favor that Allah has bestowed on you, and do not waste any favor of Allah over you. The effect of Allah's favors over you should be visible on you. Know that the most distinguished among the believers is he who is the most forward of them in spending from himself, his family and his property, because whatever good you send forward will remain in store for you and the benefit of whatever you keep behind will be derived by others. Avoid the company of the person whose opinion is unsound and whose action is detestable, because a man is judged after his companion. Live in big cities because they are collective centers of the Muslims. Avoid places of neglectfulness and wickedness, and places where there are paucity of supporters for the obedience of Allah. Confine your thinking to matters which are helpful to you. Do not sit in the marketing centers because they are the meeting places of shaitan, and targets of mischiefs. Frequently look at those over whom you enjoy superiority because this is a way of giving thanks. Do not undertake a journey on Friday until you have attended the prayers, except when you are going in the way of Allah, or in an excusable matter. Obey Allah in all your affairs, because Allah's obedience has precedence over all other things. Deceive your heart into worshipping, persuade it and do not force it. Engage it in worshipping, when it is free and merry, except as regards the obligations enjoined upon you. For they should not be neglected and must be performed at the 5 times. Be on guard lest death comes down upon you while you have fled away from your Lord in search of worldly pleasure. Avoid the company of the wicked because vice adjoins vice. Regard Allah as great, and love His lovers. Keep off anger because it is one large army from Shaitan's armies, and that is an end to the matter.